Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Nissan Altima faster. First, consider a cold air intake. It allows your engine to breathe better, boosting horsepower. Next, a performance exhaust system can significantly improve engine sound and efficiency. Don't forget lightweight wheels and performance tires, which reduce unsprung weight and enhance grip, making a noticeable difference in acceleration and handling. Moving to the engine, an ECU tune is a powerful upgrade, optimizing fuel and ignition timing for substantial power gains. For more aggressive performance, a performance camshaft can alter valve lift and duration, improving engine breathing at higher RPMs. Also, upgrading your spark plugs and ignition coils ensures a stronger, more consistent spark, which is crucial for efficient combustion. To complement your power upgrades, focus on handling. Lowering your Altima with coilovers or lowering springs reduces body roll and improves cornering. A strut bar connects the top of your suspension towers, increasing chassis rigidity for sharper steering response. Finally, upgrading to performance brake pads and rotors provides superior stopping power, essential for a faster car. For the ultimate speed boost, forced induction, such as a turbocharger or supercharger, can dramatically increase horsepower, though it's a more complex modification. Remember, consistent maintenance, including oil changes and fluid checks, is vital to keep your modified Altima running strong and reliably. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.